jumping like joy. Pulled up in the brand new Porsche. 300 and dash to the pay shake. Can't say golf for you niggas just going.
Hello everybody! It's finally Christmas! Oh my gosh, like I can't believe it, you know. The holidays aren't here, but like, I'm still sad, but it's all good. Merry Christmas from my family to yours. I hope you all are having a wonderful holiday. Hopefully yours is going much better than mine, just like a whole like family thing, but it's cool. So today in this video, I'm going to be doing a holiday glam or whatever tutorial. It has nothing to do with green or red. Because so these are going to be some much easier colors to work with, more like the browns and the oranges and stuff like that, but it's going to be a cute little tutorial with some glitter. You know, it's honestly all I do, but it's all good. But excuse my shirt, I don't know, this is my makeup shirt, like this is how I get ready. But alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is these ratchet eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've prepped my eyes and done my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in with my Anastasia, and I'm going to use the New Wave shade right here. This like, it's a more of a base shade than anything. I'm going to put this all over my lid, and to prep my lid I use my Anastasia concealer. I typically don't put on eyeshadow before the rest of my makeup, but today I decided to. I feel like I'd work quicker if I put the eyeshadow on first, but that's just me. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm going to take this orange shade right here and put it into crease / transition area. Or I might just put it over my whole lid. I don't know. Let's see. I think I'm put it over my lid. Yeah.
Everybody reach to the top. Everybody reach up, don't stop, don't stop. Everybody reach to the top, don't stop, stop.
Alright, next I'm going to take my box of crayons palette, and I'm going to use the yellow shade to put into my brow part of my whatever. I don't know what I'm doing really. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start going in with some browns. I'm basically going to like go down the line and use these colors and just like build onto them. So I'm going to start with this one like okay, now what I'm gonna do is okay, so you can see what it looks like. It's very dark at the bottom, and so I'm gonna blend that out.
Everybody reach to the top. Everybody reach up, don't stop, don't stop. Everybody reach to the top, don't stop, stop.
So I really like how this came out. I'm gonna test some glitter shades from this palette right here. So these are the shades. It's kind of hard to tell. I mean, it's not really that pigmented, but I'm really not quite sure which one I'm gonna use. I think I'm definitely gonna go in Soul color right here. It's like a very dark goldish type, and I'm just gonna apply it with my finger. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What I did was I took the Soul color, and I didn't like it that much. It wasn't that poppin', so then I went on top of it with this one. So I like the look for now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to prime my face with my Baby Skin and my Magic Perfecting Primer. Okay. If you want a detailed look as to how I, prep my face and such, you can look at the information box at the top of the video, and it will direct you to my eyebrow tutorial as well as my everyday makeup tutorial. My everyday makeup tutorial is how I basically prep my skin, like the basics towards prepping my skin. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Matte Made Foundation in the shade D50.
Everybody reach, reach to the top. Everybody reach up, don't stop, don't stop. Everybody reach to the top. Don't stop, stop.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight with my LA Girl. I'm always slouching. Oh my gosh, my posture is so bad. Anyways, I'm going to be using my LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm really going to be highlighting under my eyes because I've been getting no sleep. I just slept for like an additional 3 hours, so
Everybody reach to the top. Everybody reach up, don't stop, don't stop. Everybody reach to the top. Don't stop, stop. Everybody reach to the top. Everybody reach up, don't stop, don't stop. Everybody reach to the top. Don't stop, stop.
now I'm just going to go on some NYX Butter Gloss and add some lip gloss. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I tried to make a heart right there, but I think I'm just about to take it off. But I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I will see you all in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I will see you all in my next video. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and especially subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it, talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it, talk it. Hey. I was bad, so I can't be beefing with no bad nigga.